Good morning and happy iPhone 16 release day. It's 7:53 and I'm gonna be picking up my iPhone 16, 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max literally very soon. I have to pick it up at 8:30 and these ones are at later times, but since I'm there, I might as well just pick this up too, right? Let's see if Apple, lets me, but I'm also going to be asking for the Apple stickers too. Now, I'm really excited for the 16 Pro that you're gonna see later in this video of me unboxing it and sharing with you guys my first impressions, because it's the first just regular Pro model for me. I've been using the Pro Max model since the 13, so for the first time I'm gonna be downgrading to the smaller Pro, and that just gets me super excited. You guys know I love the iPhone 13 mini, so getting a Pro device that's kind of a little bit more compact is gonna be really great. But I'm also excited for the 16 in Ultra Marine. I've seen a lot of videos already, unboxings, and it looks beautiful. But I think it's time to kind of quickly drink my green tea. Got to have my green tea. Green tea is good for you. And then make my way to pick up the iPhones. Okay, it's a nice morning. It's nice and cool. Had my green tea, had my donut from my local donut shop. This is my outfit of the day. Got those white shoes. These are from H&M. I actually got to clean them up. I got these navy striped pants. They're actually more so suit pants. And then I just got a white shirt going on. So this is the daily. Then I got the Apple Watch Ultra. I am testing this case from Casetify right here. But yeah, let's get right to it. We are going to pick up the new iPhones. I love it, absolutely love it. Let's get right to it. Park right behind this Model X Plaid right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and I'm going to show up. Wait, let me pull it out of my pocket. I'm gonna show up with my Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Nah, I'm just joking. It is my daily phone though. Like, this is the phone I use on the daily right now. But yeah, we're gonna pick it up. We're gonna get back to the studio and we're gonna unbox it. The mall at this time is empty. Granted, a lot of the stores aren't even open. It's crazy being here at this time, at least at the mall. Being up at 8 is normal, but being here before all the other stores open is pretty strange, actually.
So we got a black, a desert.
And then the
Do you
Ultra.
know what time the other one was for?
One was 8:45, and then 9:15.
Ultramarine. Oh, I wanted it so bad.
Secure the package. iPhone 16's in the house, 16 Pros and Pro Maxes. And guess what? We got Apple stickers because they don't have them in the box. So you got to ask for the Apple stickers. But let's get back to the studio and we're going to unbox these bad boys. All right, we got the packages secured. Let's get to the unboxings. Stay tuned because they're going to be separate videos. I really want to kind of showcase each different size and each different model on their own. So let's get right to it with the iPhone 16 Pro. You know I gotta do my signature throw right there. But yeah, this is the iPhone 16 Pro. This is going to be the first Pro for me. I've used the Pro Max since the 13 Pro. But here we have the box right here. Very sleek and slim. With past Pros, I know, I think the last one was the 13 Pro. It had the black box, and I think the 12 Pro also had it. After that, they got rid of it, and they just started having just normal white boxes like the regulars. But let's peel right here. Damn, I totally messed that one up. Let's peel right here. I totally messed that peel up. So let's peel from the other side. Damn, I messed it up again. Oh well, there we go. I'm actually going to take that small piece. There we go. Put it there. Ooh, there we have the iPhone 16 in black titanium. Look how clean that looks. Normally I would get one of the other like cool colors of the Pros, but this year I decided to go with black titanium, and it truly is a black. It's using grade 5 titanium, and I can already see my fingerprints on that, so that's not too good. But everything else about this, oh, it is super clean. Has that matte finish. It still it feels like it has matte titanium sides to it, and then the camera right here, the inside of the camera is also like a even darker black, but this is looking super clean. I feel like Apple finally made that matte black. But let's put that aside real quick. Let's take a look at this USB-C braided cable. I think last year came with one. I'm not sure, I don't remember. Let's put that aside, and then we got just like iPhone and all the other stuff, and that's the unboxing for you. So we don't really get anything else here, just that and the phone. We don't even get Apple stickers, but you know, if you go to the Apple store, I asked for one and they gave me an Apple sticker, so there you go. But nonetheless, it's, you know, I wish they kind of had it in the box, but let's put that aside. Let's put the box aside at least. I got the model with 256 gigs, so, because I know I'm going to use it for videos, but let's peel this real quick. Oh, you see right here, it's the camera control, and then we have the action button that was there last year. But first of all, in the hand, it feels really good. Absolutely, I think this is going to be a very good phone for me. It's a Pro, but it's not the Pro Max. It's not going to be large. That camera oh, this is a button. This camera control, this is a button. Apple doesn't call this a button, but yeah, you can hear the click. You can hear that. That's a button. I'm going to peel this, and then I'm going to get started. There we go. We're going to take a look how thin the bezels are. It's got a larger 6.3-inch display. Obviously, it's a ProMotion 120 hertz. We're going to see how slim the bezels truly are. Now, I have the Pro Max, but I didn't open that one up just yet, but I will be comparing that to the 15 Pro Max to see how much slimmer the bezels are. We're getting, like I said, this new camera control. It looks like we're gonna be getting IP68 dust and water resistant. Ooh, that is super, super clean. Look at that. Those are some very, very slim bezels. Absolutely, yeah, I can kind of tell a difference. But let's go ahead, let's set up the iPhone 16 Pro, and I'll be right back. All right, and we are back with iPhone 16 initial setup. I obviously did not set it up to where like all my stuff are on here just yet, because I want to look at it and give you guys a first impression. But looking at this lock screen, you can definitely tell how thin the bezels truly are. They are looking very sleek and very elegant. Then we got the ProMotion, not now, I'll set up cellular later. But that's just how it looks out of the box. You can obviously hold on the home screen, you can edit, you can customize, change it to dark if you really want. Dark actually looks pretty cool. I think I might be rocking dark, we'll see. But overall, like, display is super clean. I love the black titanium. But the main thing here with the iPhone 16s in general that they share is the camera control button right here. Obviously with the iPhone 16 Pros, you're getting A18 Pro, so we're going to be testing out how good A18 Pro is on a day-to-day basis. Apple Intelligence is still not available. It's going to be available next month. If you want to get the beta and use it that way, go right ahead. But if not, then just you got to wait until next month. So we're gonna test out Apple Intelligence when that comes out as well. I also want to test out the battery life. I'm hearing it's getting 45 watts of wire charging and very good battery life, at least what Apple claims to be. But we're going to see how it is for the first couple of days. But let's check out the camera control. I watched some videos on it, and it takes some getting used to. So, you know, just kind of playing with it. I think you got to tap once to kind of, there we go. We just do a little tap and then you can change the zoom. Oh, that's not too bad. Yeah, that's not too bad. So let's do 1x. And then I wonder if we hold. What happens if we hold? Oh, there we go. We can see the different features. Camera, styles, tones. Okay, zoom. You can do the depth. You can change the exposure. I think I'll probably leave it at zoom for now. Actually, oh, there it is right there. So it's literally, you can, instead of zooming, you can just change it to 1x, 2x, 5x. I'm gonna leave it at 1x for now. And I'm also gonna just change it back to zoom. But I wanna try it out when you're kind of, let's say I'm taking a photo right here. Let's take a photo of my Entei right here, you know, my favorite Pokemon, Entei. Actually, I'm gonna take it just from up here so you guys can see. I wonder, there we go. You have to actually tap, like actually push down to take a photo. And that's what it does. Yeah, I think if you push down and hold, that's when it takes the video. All right, so if you push down and you hold. All right, so it looks like, I'm trying that one more time. You push down, you hold, and it's recording the video, but as soon as I lift my finger from the camera control button, it stops recording. I wonder if there's another way you can kind of start recording without holding the camera control button. But one tap, there you go. Actually, like one hard push, because it's a button, gets you to take the photo, and then obviously you can use it to zoom in and out. That's cool. That's really cool. I think it's going to be a cool feature for those who use their iPhone as their main camera. And I think iPhone photography is going to get even better. I use ultra wide a lot, so it's nice to see the new, I believe it's a 48 megapixel ultra wide. So we're good with that. You know, we're going to be good with having a new 48 megapixel ultra wide. And you probably saw at the beginning of this video, a lot of the footage is with the 15 Pro Max's ultra wide. So I'm super excited to try out video in ultra wide. Oh yeah, that is, let's take an ultra wide photo with Entei in there. Yeah, that's looking clean. That is looking clean. Let's take a normal 1x of Entei. It's kind of, I think that was a little too shaky. Yeah, I was shaking a little too much. Let's kind of zoom out just like that. And then let's take a look at Entei. That's clean. That's some clean photos. Excited, very excited. I got lots of content, lots of video coming here on YouTube as well as on TikTok. So stay tuned to the channel. Definitely be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a like and share. And this is iPhone 16 Pro again in I was going to say space black, but in black titanium. I will be getting some cases for this specific model, so stay tuned to the channel as well as like my reviews and just like some other upcoming videos with this phone. So I hope you guys did enjoy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.